Here's your weekend ticket.
Their dad, he wanted to touch the stars.
He's trapped by a darkness.
A teen searches for her missing father in A Wrinkle in Time.
The only one who can stop it is you. Be a warrior.
What's going on?
I've been kidnapped!
What a crybaby.
In Gringo, a mild-mannered businessman is drawn into wild action in Mexico.
This is not good.
No witnesses.
In The Hurricane Heist, thieves plan a massive heist from the U.S. Treasury as a giant storm approaches.
Hell of a day, ain't it?
See what's hot in theaters with this week's Fanticipation. So what's your weekend ticket going to be? Let us know by commenting. See you next time on Weekend Ticket.